Friends, open Picsart app. Now tap on plus. Now select edit a photo. Today we are going to edit Diwali photo editing tutorial. This is the background. First step, go to add photo, select another background. Friends, this is another background. Simply stretch out like this. Now tap on opacity and keep this opacity around 20. Now bring it like this. Perfect. Stretch out. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert. Now select the restore, increase the size, decrease the opacity, decrease the hardness. Now have to draw. Now tap on tick. This is the first step. The second step, go to add photo, select the model image. I already erased the background. Friends, this is the model image. By using this cutout tool, you have to erase the background, which I already did. Simply zoom out and you have to arrange little right side, okay, like this. Perfect. Now go to adjust, decrease little brightness, give little contrast, saturation little bit, decrease little brightness, decrease little shadow, and give little temperature. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on shadow, tap on position, keep this 100, keep this 100. Now tap on color, tap on this palette and bring this to here. Perfect. Now tap on adjust, keep this 100 and decrease it to around 15. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase the size, decrease the opacity, decrease the hardness, erase on the bottom portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. You have to arrange here perfectly. Next step, go to add photo and select further PNGs. 3 PNGs. I am going to arrange one by one. Okay. First I am going to arrange in this portion here. Second, you have to arrange this Happy Diwali on the top, bring little down, and next you have to arrange these crackers in this portion here, decrease the opacity, and this also decrease the opacity little bit. Perfect. Now decrease this also little. Next, go to add photo and select further PNGs, and now go to opacity, go to blend and make it multiple, and you have to arrange this one here. Perfect. Now select this text. Now go to blend, make it screen and arrange this one in the center here. Perfect. Like this. Now tap on tick. Next step, you have to go to brushes, select the fourth one, and you have to give little bokeh effect. For this you have to select this one and keep the size and opacity like this and give one tap. Perfect. Now tap on tick. And the final step, have to go to tools, go to adjust and give the final touch up. Okay. Decrease little brightness, little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little more, little highlights, and temperature little bit. Perfect. Now tap on it. Friends, finally our special Happy Diwali photo editing tutorial is completed. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.